what to do, what we can do as an example. So here is the example I have prepared. So for example, someone reply means someone is trying to reach us on WhatsApp saying say hi or hello, any keyword. At that time, it should trigger our auto reply, say, hey, welcome to this one. We are excited to working with you, so and so. And here are the options user can check out with. Say user may say, hey, I would like to know about your contacts or location, or they may would like to have the call me back request, right? So in case if they reply means they choose this option, say contact us, and our automatically bot will reply back that hey, here is our contact details. And if you choose our the location, our bot will reply back say hey, this is our location and the Google map. And if they reply with the call me option, it will reply back that hey, we have recorded your callback request and we will calling you back this one. So this is, let's say this is one of the scenario I just drafted here. We can do the more complex one, which will I show you as one of the another demo, but we will start with how to do the small one first. So let me start with this. So this is the first bot we need to create, like auto reply, and here is the option to create a new one, and here is the one. So we need to say hey, here is the either he hello or hi, or maybe we can add more keywords which would like to trigger this rule basically. So for now this one, and we would like to have sometime we may need to have like image or document to be attached into it. We can definitely do that. So for example, we may have option to choose the product catalog, and someone say hey, let me give me the product catalog. So we may have another rule saying say hey, attach with the document which has the all product list and will be replied back. So here is the small one. Let's start with this one. So here I'm first, let me copy this. This is my auto bot response here, and along with that I would like to have some options as we say. So first user can say hey, contacts, give me share your contacts for example, or location, or they may wish to see the call me back request, right? So this is another one, so call me back. So here I have the option. So whenever user will get the message, it will be look like this, and user will have options to choose with. So this is the first one, and I like to save this. Now when user clicks on to the location or maybe as a context, so what happens? So when we go to the context, let me copy this. So now we need to create another response here. So what we need to do is we need to, I'm just pasting here, and here is the first one, context, right? So whenever we get a response from the context as a keyword, we may have more keyword we can add, say contact me, or give me your contacts, whatever we would like to put the words, we can definitely put it here, and accordingly we can respond back to it. And here we would say this is the our contact details and they can reach to us. Let me do that. Now another one is we would like to have a location. I would like to see where you are located in, right? So I can click on this and say hey, location is the one, and here I can share my location details. So for example, this is my address, and this is where we are located in the Google map. So here I can put body, and here we can see this is how it will be displayed, right? And even if you want to say hey, I would like to cite the link rather than putting here, I would like to put like say map, or I would say Google map, and I can put this link into it rather than the body. That is also possible, right? So this is also, we can make it like this way, and let me remove this. So this is more attractive, I guess. We can put it and we can save this way. Now the third one is the callback, right? So let me put this as like a call me. So here it is, and let me put the call me, and whenever user is calling, we will be recording that, and we will reply back that hey, we will call back. Okay, and let me save this. So here is the one. Now the important thing is how it will be called, when and how. So here we have option to see the flow. If we click on this, this is how our visual graph can tell us that how it would be working. So this is the hello or hi someone try, it will be having this message along with these options, and as soon as they click on the context, they will get this message. If they click on the location, they will get this one, and call me, they will get this one. So this is a small flow. We will look into the bigger one also. I'll show you that how we can make a more complex one, but this is the one. Let me see in an action now. So here is my one of my personal account, and let's see its number 0961, and this is the one. So here we started with the say hello, for example. So as soon as I send a hello, this will go to the WhatsApp. WhatsApp will process it and will reply back, say, hey, this is what it is. Okay, and accordingly it will find out the auto response and we will receive the response. Here it is. So here we can see this is the response has been written back and with the options. So if I click on say contact, okay, so when we click on that, we'll go to your system, and here is the response from the this one. Say, hey, this is the contact detail and they can reach to us. Now if user clicks on location here from here itself, so when we click again, it will again say that. So here we receive the location detail automatically with the Google Map link. Here you can see address and Google Map link. Now if someone say, hey, I would like to give me the call me, right? So here I click on this call me and the system will process. This is the response we get. Thank you for this one. So here you can see this is how we can see the auto board works without us any point of time or any time. Now let's see the little bit more complicated one. So here it is the one of the account I have let me log in with, and here when we go to the board, here we can see this is the lot of rules we have decided and how it is. So let me show you this one first as a starting point. So when I click on the any one of card, this will give us the how it works. So here you can see what level user can go, which would be coming in and so on. So here is the main idea for the end user is if someone say hi hello, we need to say, hey, choose your option, because this is like a laptop selling office, or say we can say customer. They would like to say, hey, would you like to go with the buy laptop brands or a price? If they choose a laptop brand, it will come up here, right? And if I click on this one, so here we will have both the option. Yeah, so here we can go, the user can go to the laptop brands. If they choose price, they will go to the price one, and price will have options for each respective options, that okay, here are the laptops and here are the price ranges. So in case of they can have the multiple price ranges. So this is how we can make it like more complicated flow chart also, and which can be the great thing is we can visualize that where it is going to be looked in and so on. So we can see this also how it works. So let me show you this as well in working. So here it is. So for example, if I say hello or hi, so here we can see the two options are arrived, and let me choose, say for example, by brand. So as soon as we choose the brand, I got the another auto response, say, hey, which brand would you like to have it? And I can choose, for example, Dell laptops. Here, so here we can see Dell laptops has given the list of options, and when we click on these options, it will give me the list of all the Dell laptops are available here. So user can choose whatever they would like to. So for example, I would like to see this one and say okay. So as soon as they choose, it will share that specific detail, more laptop detail. So here you can see this is the so here I just mentioned as a, like that specific laptop as having this much information, only model number, but we can put the like photograph, product catalog like in PDF, and also at the description of the configurations and so many other things we can put it into it. So this is how we can develop even users. So for example, I would like to go with the price range. So as soon as we click on the price range, it will give the price range option. So as soon as we see the price range, and I would like to see between 20 to 30 Ks laptops, I can choose it, and on click of that, it will find out all the laptops and let me know. So here you can see this is the one of the laptop has been set up as this one, and it is responded back to us that okay, this is the one available, and you can purchase with this one. So that is how we can develop the more complex one to make the our Autobot working, and it would be like our product catalog and our WhatsApp automated one, and whenever user reaches at the last one, you can put the like buy option. On the buy option, it can go to the your page or our website where they can actually go for the purchase on the online if we have, or we can add the contact detail to, they can call you on the specific number to call the specific to purchase the specific laptop or any product. So this is how we can make the more intuitive and attractive and the more responsive Autobot, which is very useful for the where we have the products and we would like to make it automated one. So this is how it's important. And the more important thing is whatever the conversation user is having, here we can see in our chatbot by default. So we can see that what user has clicked on the options and what was the response went on, and this is the entire history is visible here. So we can track that what the conversation we had with the customer in inbox. So that is how our excellent or we can say more important feature for the auto and inbox we explained here. Thank you for watching.